Guys, this is I tried 10 kind of different dim sums. Cheers. Hi guys, I'm Sahiba Bali. I work at the marketing team at Zomato and I have figured out a way to let my boss pay for all my meals as long as I make content out of it. And today I'm going to be trying different kind of dim sums. I'm going to quickly order from Zomato. So if I search for say dim sums right now, delivery, there are 172 restaurants delivering to me. It's the charcoal dim sum from Asoya. I'm quite excited to try this because इस काल काल में हम तुम करे धमाल हो काल काल. Smells great. It's vegetarian. It doesn't really taste like charcoal. It tastes like a normal dim sum. There's this flavor, like a earthy, smoky flavor, which is coming through it. Umami kind of flavor, and the filling is like a hot and sour vegetable. So if you see, it's all red from inside. Yeah, chef, how do you think of these meals? This is from N. It's a Japanese restaurant and it has great ratings on Zomato. So I was like, let's order gyoza. Oh my god. Guys, this is one of the best stuffing I've tried. It's pork, but next level. One of the really best stuffings I've tried. This is from Big Wong, one of my favorite. The packaging is super cute. I mean, look at that. And usually with Hargao, you take a very light sauce, so like a soya sauce or a very light chili oil. So you take your crystal Hargao dumpling, you put it in the garlic chili oil, and then guys, this sauce, this dipping sauce is everything. It's super garlicky. After eating this, if you're going to meet a special someone or in general, please have a chewing gum. This is wonton and cheesy wonton from Master Koi. It is a match made in heaven. Wontons are also a different kind of dim sum that are deep fried usually. And they have a very different shape. They are shaped in like a tortellini kind of way, which I'll show you how, like this. You should always match with the sauces they send because वो सोच समझ के भेजते ना chef. Guys, the cheese is oozing out. It's a party in my mouth. I know बहुत ही ज़्यादा confusion रहती है with what are dim sums and what are momos, and sometimes people momos को dim sums और dim sums को momos बुला देते हैं, but there's a huge difference. Dim sums are actually originated from China. It's a Cantonese dish and it is usually eaten during snack time with tea. In fact, dim sum means tea के साथ खाना खाना. Whereas momos is a type of dumpling that originated in Tibet. It's a variation of a dim sum, but it's frequently very famous and eaten in Nepal, Tibet and northeast India. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको काफ़ी ज्ञान दूंगी और मैंने आपको काफ़ी ज्ञान दिया. It is the Beijing chili dim sums from Tobiko. They have given me the dim sums which look beautiful, but I have to put the chili oil on it. Look at the sauces that Tobiko and Inoki sent me. Cheers. It's so good. एक तो the wrapper, the sheet that it's wrapped on is extremely thin, right? The shape is extremely thin, so the stuffing inside you can taste amazingly. The addition of the fried garlic and the chili oil, it blows your mind away. Like, I really want to show you my biceps. Yeah. I don't know why I did that. This is edamame and truffle dim sum from Yum Yum Cha. It's one of the best vegetarian dim sums I've ever had. And again, take it from a hardcore non-vegetarian. I vouch for this. The packaging is adorable. So a lot of restaurants make variations of edamame and truffle. Gyaocha in Bombay apparently has one of the best ones in India. I've tried it and yes, they're too good. So many takeaway restaurants have edamame and truffle. So what they do is they boil the edamame, they make it into paste and they put some truffle oil in it, and it is exquisite. From Asia Kitchen by Mainland China. So if you see this, these are bags and then the top is open. It's not like उसका कुछ ऊपर से that pattern बना है या फिर it's closed. Ready? पूरा डाल दूँ. That's some good shit. The green curry dim sum from Inoki. So these kind of dim sums are called money bags. Like the open ones are called shumai, the crystal ones are called hagao. Woohoo! Green curry dim sum. It's exactly what I said. It's green curry, with all its shredded vegetables and everything stuffed in a dim sum. Genius. This is the 3-party pack from Noshi. So we're going to start with the crystal duck. You know how it really tastes like? You know those baos? Baos के अंदर जो sweet pork bun होता है ना? Exactly the same pork stuffing is this. So good. Then we have is the Shaolong pork soup dumpling. Now if you see the dumpling, they are very flat because उसमें सिर्फ mainly soup है. ठीक है? Very carefully I'm going to pick it. An easier way to remember this dumpling is the soup dumpling. It's filled with soup and it's amazing. I have left one of the greatest for the end, which is the prawn chong fung. It is a roll and roll के अंदर is the meat. And usually this roll comes as a whole. तो बहुत ही बड़ा आता है और उसको फिर काट के खाते हैं. It's a very light soy sauce, like extremely light and almost watery consistency. Too good. Too good, stupendous, amazing. This is from Queenie's. It has a great rating on Zomato and I haven't tried it before, so I was like, why not? And look at it. Very thin wrapping, like extremely crystal thin wrapping, which is great. The stuffing, the packaging is so good, yeah. Like it has garlic and onion and chili. Thank you so much guys for joining me in my journey to try all different type of dim sums. Honestly, it is still my favorite food, but I can't eat it for another week because I've had way too many. So if you want me to try any particular cuisine or different type of dishes and do a review, or you just want me to just eat it in front of the camera, please let me know. I read all the comments, comment below, and 100% I will choose one of the things you say and make a video out of it. See you next week.